Good morning, students. Now we are on the last topics of this chapter. We are on the page number 27 and 28. In the earlier session, we have explained or read about the water, roughage and mineral deficiency, that is calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. Now we are moving ahead with the new topics on the page number 27 and 28, that is what should we eat. Now what should we eat? We should eat a proper balanced diet so that our body can take or gain the proper nutrients required for our basic activities, that is balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet which consists of all the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, water, roughage and everything that is required by our body for its proper functioning and development. They are all present in a very little amount, but that is a basic need for our body so that we can sustain and remain healthy. Without taking the balanced diet, we will not be able to recover from diseases or stay healthy. So balanced diet is a very necessary thing which is required for our body so that we can remain fit and fine. Now what are the factors that are responsible for poor health? Why do we fall ill? Why do we remain regularly ill? Or why do we not overcome through the disease in a very short period of time? That is because of the improper diet, or we are just unhealthy. So there are two types of malnutrition diseases that occur in infants. Infants means जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, एकदम छोटे बच्चे जो चल भी नहीं सकते हैं या रेंगते रहते हैं, they are infants, that is PEM and PCM. PEM protein energy malnutrition and PCM protein calorie malnutrition diseases. So these are two types of diseases, that is Kwashiorkor and marasmus. So what is Kwashiorkor? In Kwashiorkor, you will see that there is a picture in the book also on page number 27, that there is an infant which has a retarded growth, मतलब उसकी growth ज़्यादा नहीं हुई है, and his face, feet and the abdominal part. Now what is abdominal part? This part. So feet, hands of the child, abdominal part and the feet, they get swell up due to the lack of protein in the body, and the growth is also retarded, यानी कि growth में भी कमी आ जाती है. Now what is marasmus? This is deficiency caused due to protein, carbohydrate and fats in the diet. If these three things are deficient in our diet, then the person or the child may become thin and lean. वो एकदम दुबला पतला सा हो जाएगा, उसकी हड्डियाँ ज़्यादा मजबूत नहीं होंगी. As you can see in the picture also, which is given in your book. So these are the two types of diseases which are caused due to the deficiency of proteins in our diet. If the child is given regular protein and carbohydrates and fats in the diet properly, then he or she may not suffer from these types of diseases. So to avoid these diseases, the child should be given feed, that is balanced diet. Now what is obesity? Obesity, it is a very common thing that you also know कि जो मोटापा होता है, that is known as obesity. So obesity is the overeating, काम कम करना और खाना ज़्यादा. तो इससे भी obesity हो सकती है, but it may be due to genetically also, or it may be due to some other factors also. It is not necessary कि overeating की वजह से ही obesity होती है. It is not necessary, but it is a main factor of obesity that persons who eat more and do less work, they become obese. So it leads to many health problems. There are so many health problems which occurs due to the obesity. जैसे कि वो चल फिर नहीं सकते, उनको अपने डेली के काम में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, या फिर वो अगर बीमार हो जाते हैं तो उसमें उनको रिकवरी में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता है. सो दीज आर द ill factors of the obese persons. So today we have done what should we eat, factors for the poor health, deficiency of caused due to the protein energy malnutrition and protein calorie malnutrition, Kwashiorkor, marasmus and the obesity. So read the topics carefully on the page number 27 and 28, and you have to complete the part D of this lesson in your fair notebook as your homework. Thanks and have a nice day. Remain healthy, take balanced diet, keep yourself fit and fine. Thanks and have a nice day.